Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equals to 6x squared minus x minus 4 at the point A 1 1. So let's go direct to the solution. So the first thing is to understand what is the tangent. So in this question, you're given a curve. We assume that this is the curve that you have, and you have a tangent. I can draw a tangent at that point. Assume that that is a tangent. So this one is the curve y is equals to 6x squared minus x minus 4, and then this is the tangent. This is just a sketch to help us understand how to work out the question. So this is the point. This is the point A, and that point is 1 1. So you are required to get the equation of the tangent to this curve. So the equation of this tangent, you can see the tangent is a straight line that touches the curve at this point A 1 1. So how do you get the equation of the tangent? For you to get the equation of this tangent, which is of course a straight line, to get the equation of a straight line, you require to have one point and the gradient. What you don't have for this straight line that is a tangent is the gradient, but we have 1 point. So how do you get the gradient? Now to get the gradient, you at this point 1 1, you differentiate. So you differentiate this function y is equals to 6x squared minus x minus 4. So when you differentiate these, you get the gradient function at this point. So when you differentiate that, this is what you get, the gradient function with respect to, you differentiating y with respect to x, you get 12x minus 1. So that is the gradient function. Now at this point, at point 1 1, the value of x at this point, the value of x at this point is 1. And therefore, to get the gradient, the actual gradient, which I'm going to denote gradient by m, you substitute the value of x at a, and x is 1 minus 1, and this gives the gradient as 11. So that is the gradient. Now after getting the gradient, now we have 1 point, which is 1 1, and we have the gradient of that tangent, which is 11. Now when you're giving the equation of a straight line, the general format of the equation of a straight line is given by y is equals to mx plus c, where m is the gradient. M is the gradient. So we just need to substitute the values here, where this one, x will be 1 from this point a 1 1, y is equals to 1, and m, the gradient we've just obtained, is 11. So substituting in this equation, we'll be able to get c, which is the y-intercept. So 1 is equals to m in this case is 11 multiplied by x is 1, then plus c. So you notice that c, you get c as negative 10. So after getting that, therefore the equation of this tangent is given by y is equals to the gradient, which is 11x. This one is 11x minus 10, and that is simply how we're supposed to get the equation of the tangent.